Hello, today I will show you an overview of the new Golden West webmail settings two-factor authentication. To begin, log into your Golden West webmail and select Settings in the upper right-hand corner. Then, in the Settings menu on the left-hand side, select Two-Factor Authentication. Two-factor authentication helps tremendously with securing your account. The basis behind 2FA is that another form of authentication is required before the initial login is allowed. When this feature is enabled, you will need to provide your email address and password, and then a rolling code that is generated every minute by popular 2FA apps such as Google Authenticator. Please note, when 2FA is enabled, you will need an external app to pair to your account. If something happens to the device that is paired with your account that generates the code, you will have to use a recovery code or have the 2FA configuration reset. When you first click the tab, you will be presented with the configuration pane, and none of the fields will be filled out. A quick breakdown of the options are as follows. Secret. This is the passphrase that will be shared between the client and the server to generate one-time passphrases. This secret will be stored on your device to use 2FA for example, your Android or iOS device. Recovery codes. These set of codes can be used to gain access to your account if something should happen to the device that is handling generating the one-time passcode. Check code. When everything is set up on your device to handle passcode generation, you must enter one of the rolling passphrases into this field. Once you fill the field out and click Check Code, you will be able to save your settings and your account will be fitted with 2FA. To activate 2FA, click the Activate checkbox at the top of the view. Once the Activate button has been checked, click the Fill All Fields button. This will automatically fill all of the required fields for 2FA. Please copy the recovery codes here, somewhere private and secure. After the fields have been filled out, click on Show QR Code. This will display the QR code used for your device to generate the one-time passphrases. Open up your 2FA app on your device and scan this QR code. Depending on the app, this should be the only step. Once the account has been added, you will be presented with your rolling codes. When logging in, you will need to enter your username, password, and click the reCAPTCHA confirmation as normal. After this, you will be presented with a window to place your rolling code. Enter your code as it appears in your app and click Log In. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, the status indicator will change to two-factor authentication is currently enabled. For this and more information on other Golden West features, visit goldenwest.com/webmail.